Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to the second day of learning AutoCAD web app. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification whenever we upload videos. If you skip the first lecture, it is highly recommended to please watch the first video. You can find link above. And in order to understand how to create new web account and in order to understand the layout of the platform and as well as setting up the units before sketching start. Okay, let's get started without any delay. I'm here in the Chrome browser and on the URL web.autocad.com, and I logged my iCyberClicks accounts and I'm on the dashboard. So in this previous video we have created the drawing called my house plan. So let's start building my house plan. I'm opening this. This will take a while to take me to drawing sheet. So I'm on the drawing sheet and I'm starting. You must make sure that you have all the units set up, like going to setting up units, and I'm cross check to architectural and setting up feet and inches. Here I'm setting degree minute second and I am on degree minute second, this format. So I'm setting things up. So I'm now confident that my units are set because it all dependent on the units. So here the sketch that I'm going to draw for my house plan in this video series. Starting from the center, there will be two rooms. One of them will be master bedrooms, 14 feet by 16 feet, and there will be another room called drawing room that will be 14 by 16, same as master bedroom. The master bedroom will have attached a walk-in closet of this size, and there will be bathroom for this master bedroom. On the other hand, there will be attached bathroom of 8 by 8 of this drawing room. So this area will be covered, and this area 3 feet wide street from the backside will be used for ventilation. Similarly, 2.5 feet wide street on the right side for ventilation. And coming to the next, in front of these two rooms there will be 8 feet wide veranda, and on the right side kitchen will be included in this area of veranda, and on the left side stair will be inside the area of veranda. In front of that there will be guest room 14 by 15 feet, and this attached bathroom can be used for this guest room, and this door can be opened from street area outside. This is the main gate area, and here will be car porch. So this is what we are going to draw in this video series. On the left bottom of the screen there is a draw tab. Select the line, and I'm about to draw a simple line on the sheet. Starting point from here, moving towards the right side, and the system asks me to input your figure how long this line will be. So I'm putting from keyboard 32 feet dash 0 inches and press enter button. Now this line is drawn, and further I'm moving towards bottom and asking the system to draw a line of 52 feet. This time I'm not putting 0 because that is fixed figure, so it's not compulsory to enter 0. So just 52 is enough, and I'm pressing the enter. Again on the left side 32 feet, enter, and the rectangle is completed by sketching the last line. So here I have my plot ready on which I have to draw my house plan. Now I want to check that what is my plot size. So I'm going to the annotate section and selecting the Maya. Once I hover the mouse over the sheet, it's showing the length and width that I have of my plot. I am pressing the escape button to remove this command. Now coming to the modify section, I am selecting offset. So I am basically taking offset of my area, and I am about to draw a boundary of my house, so I have to take offset. I am selecting offset. As you can see, the mouse icon is changed and it asking me to select the object. So I am selecting the object of top wall, and I want to draw a line of just 9 inches. So I am putting 9 inches and pressing enter. So it automatically draw a line of 9 inches. Similarly, I need a boundary wall from all 4 sides. So I am selecting the subject again and putting 9 inch and pressing enter. From bottom, from left, and pressing enter. So this is the total area that I have. To make experience better and perform commands early, there is a command prompt here. All the features that you are accessing from the tabs can also be accessed from this command prompt. For example, I need to access line command, so I am pressing L and this will show line, layer, list and many other. So I am pressing full line and pressing enter. So line is selected. As you can see, you can draw a line, and pressing escape will remove this command.